During part 11, we will be discussing graphs and equations of circles. The equation below represents the general equation of a circle. So here's our equation. We're going to be using this the whole chapter. And in this equation, HK is the center of the circle. Okay, and R represents, you guessed it, the radius of the circle. So when we are given the equation of a circle, it is very simple to identify the center and the radius. Let's look at some examples below. The one thing that we have to remember when we're identifying the center from an equation is because it's x minus h and y minus k, that negative sign right there, it tells us that we need to take the opposites when we take the center out of the equation. So I know that it says x plus 1, but we are going to write negative 1. Okay? And in the same way, yes, it says y minus 9, but that changes to a plus 9 when we take it out of the equation. So the main thing is just remember to switch signs for the center. For center. Okay? That's the hardest part about this. You have to switch the signs. And then for the radius, we're going to take this value, this number right here, and we're going to take the square root of it. And the square root of 25 gives us 5. And that's how we find our radius from a given equation of a circle. Okay, example 2. We have x minus 11 squared plus y squared equals 10. This one is different because this looks a little bit different, the y squared, okay? Again, our first part of our center is going to come from here, this negative 11. Just remember to change the sign to 11. And then you want to think of, for the y squared, what number do we not write in math, right? What number means nothing and it's 0? So our k value is 0 in this problem. And then again, to get your radius, we're going to take this 10. We're going to take the square root of 10. And we put that in the calculator, and you get 3.2. And that's all you do.